Cell cycle. Cell cycle is the sequence of events a cell undergoes from the end of one division to the end of next division. It is sum of all those events by which a cell grows, duplicates its genome, synthesizes all necessary cell contents and divides into two daughter cells. Here you can see in this screen, cell cycle has two phases: interphase, which is preparatory phase, and dividing phase, which is mitosis or meiosis phase. In case of interphase, you will get some other substages within interphase G1, S, G2, where cell prepares himself for division. DNA synthesized, cell organelle duplicated, protein synthesized, cell content completely double before the division. Different types of cell divisions. We know amitosis, mitosis, meiosis. These are the different types of cell division. Here you can see in this screen mitotic cell division, which is completely equational cell division, and the meiotic cell division, which is reductional cell division. In mitosis, which occurs in somatic or body cells. In meiosis, occurs in reproductive cells, means germ cells like sperm in male and egg or ovum in female. Let's see the difference in chart form. In your screen, you can see the left side the mitosis and right side the meiosis cell division in diagram. You can see in mitosis the one round of cell division, and after completion of mitotic cell division you will get two daughter cells. But whereas in case of the meiotic cell division, two successive cell divisions occur, and after meiotic cell division you will get four daughter cells. So on the basis of number of daughter cells formed, the mitosis and meiosis, you can see in case of the mitosis you will get two daughter cells because one round of division, and in case of the meiosis you will get four daughter cells. Meiotic cell division further divided into meiotic 1, which is reductional, and meiotic 2, which is equational cell division or mitotic cell division. Let's check the stages within the mitosis and meiosis. Within the mitosis, we know the karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis, within the nuclear division, we have four stages like prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Within the meiosis, we have two successive divisions, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. That means 8 stages of cell division in 2 rounds. In meiosis 1, within the karyokinesis 1, prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. And within the meiosis 2, we have the same. Mitosis occurs in organisms except viruses, and meiosis occurs only in plants and animals and fungi. In meiotic cell division, we have crossing over between two homologous chromosomes. That is why we have variations. But in mitosis, no crossing over. So within meiosis, we have crossing over. That is why the independent assortment law fulfilled. But in case of the mitotic cell division, no independent assortment because no crossing over. In mitosis, separation of chromatids in anaphase stage, but in meiotic cell division we have two anaphase, means anaphase 1 and anaphase 2. Separation of homologous chromosomes in anaphase 1 and separation of sister chromatids during anaphase 2. Here, the differences between the mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis takes place in somatic or body cells, meiosis in reproductive cells. In case of the asexual reproduction, mitosis cell division is there, but in case of sexual reproduction, meiosis cell division is there. Mitosis cell division having only 4 stages, but in case of the meiotic cell division, we have 8 stages of cell division in 2 rounds. Mitosis occurs in all organisms except viruses, but in plants, animals, and fungi, meiosis occurs. And in case of the mitotic cell division, it's equational because chromosome number become fixed, but in case of the meiotic cell division, it's reductional because the chromosome number become half. Growth and development of the body, the mitotic cell division is there, and for ensures genetic diversity, for production of sperms and egg cells, or during the gametogenesis, meiotic cell division is there. So these are the differences between the mitosis and meiosis. Let's check the total concept about the meiotic cell division. Here you can see the egg cell and sperm cell, means the gametes, and during the fertilization or reproduction, the copulation between the egg cell and the sperm cell and formation of the zygote. We know we have 23 chromosomes in sperm and 23 chromosomes in egg cell. That is why during the zygote formation 46 chromosomes formed. Within the egg 23, within the sperm 23, and within the zygote after copulation 46. In case of meiosis, we have meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 means prophase 1, protophase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1 within the karyokinesis 1. And in meiosis 2, we have same under karyokinesis 2. The chromosomes, you can see the homologous chromosomes, that means identical chromosomes, they come close to each other and crossing over takes place between them. These are the homologous pair, non-sister chromatids. The genes are matching, the gene sequences within the chromosomes all are same, shape, size, all are same. So during the metaphase 1, after crossing over, they place themselves in the equator, and during the anaphase 1, the termination occurs, the chromosome number become half. We started with the 4, but now we have only 2 chromosomes within a single cell. After cytokinesis, you will get the 2 separate cells, and already the chromosome number become half. In meiosis 2, it's completely the equational or mitotic cell division, and here you can see the separation of chromatids. Prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and after telophase 2, you can see the 4 cells formed. All are genetically unique. Here you can see the prophase 1, the chromosome condensation, the homologous chromosomes, the color, look at the color. The homologous chromosomes come close to each other by the help of the synapses, crossing over takes place, the chromosomal segment exchanged, and now chromosomes are separated. This is the metaphase stage where the chromosomes after crossing over place themselves in the equator, the spindle fibers are attached to the centromere region. It's a metaphase 1. Next to metaphase 1, anaphase 1, which is reductional. Why it's reductional? Because the total chromosomes separated. Look at this, the termination occurs, and chromosomes, they are moving their respective pole. In anaphase 1, we started with the 4, but now we have 2 in each pole. Look at this. Telophase 1, nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear, cytokinesis started, as it animal cell, invagination of the cell membrane. We have 2 cells now, telophase 1. After cytokinesis 1, we have 2 cells. Each cell, already chromosome number become half, 2 chromosomes only, we started with the 4. Now the metaphase 2, the chromosomes now become chromatids, they place themselves in the equator, as we know in mitotic cell division. During the anaphase 2, look at this, the chromatids now separated. So chromosome number become same, equational. In telophase 2, nuclear membrane nucleolus reappeared, we have 4 daughter cells.